American Girl YouTube fans, this is the Marian Hutchinson channel, and this is a haul of all the stuff that Mary Ellen got from dollclothessobeautiful.com. This is a reproduction of Samantha's tea dress, and it comes with a collar and a bow, and a hair clip bow. Then there's white lace socks, navy blue buckle shoes, Crocs, hot pink Crocs, and a midi dress. But they call it a navy blue dress. It comes with a hat, a navy blue and white dress, and pants. The name of the .com is dollclothessobeautiful.com, and it's spelled dollclothessobeautiful.com. 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 This is the Marian Hutchinson channel signing off. Bye.